Stop laughing like that, bro. Stop laughing. I'm gonna pull my seat.
Fucking face. Don't get away.
Oh, no.
Guys,
That's rude.
hide it from
Quiet.
you.
Hold on.
Gotta find them.
Ungrab his flip chat. Guys, look, I'm gonna get
I
on
wanna
the
do a
roof,
back-
guys. Oh, I'm on the roof now.
I don't know
I'm
how
getting
to
the
do
lamp
that.
chat, and I ungravity flip and I'm on the lamp.
Good man.
Oh, you got gravity flip
Yo,
too.
smoke 'em.
I'm tall.
Come here, follow me.
Wait,
I'm
I
flip.
own gravity flip. I own gravity flip as well. Hold on. Let me find it.
Follow.
I have to turn off this.
We're in the back room.
Yo, shadow.
Oh,
I'll gravity
let's
flip.
go to ice skate. Oh, I don't think we can ice skate.
Ah, I'm on the roof.
Yeah. Oh, let's go on the money now.
Million.
And the actual bug is I need all that. I get the millions, then I fall back. Millions, they're there for the change. The days are the same. Switch for the face. Blue tongue. I'm in my bed. My memory gets gone. I've been hurt. I'm on electric guitar. I'm a ragey DJ. Call it big. Now switch out yellow pages. All gone with the rain. To blow you away. The next day I was in the newspaper. Front page. Praying for forgiveness.
Mr. Banana, straight.
Racks to the cab. Racks after racks. So many racks I said. I just bought a bike. Gives me to a
you have
gravity flip.
Because gravity flip is cool.
You know what the hell? My clock in the freezer, 8 p.m. the shelf. Every no parties and don't give me no house. So I was money in my pocket. I'm gonna spend it by myself.
Next to Hey Fab, I'm killing
My hand's in the ceiling, guys.
Oh, somebody went on. What I gotta do? What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be pooping in my face.
What kind of video starters? Like I would never use
Guys,
that.
my red level's 53.
What did I just? So guys, I just have to do that. This is my. Microphone. Sorry guys, but I just had to do that. My voice is a little bit low, so. Got my video. What kind of giveaway you got? Banana burger. Banana. Yes, sir.
Join the code. What? I want to with my friends. Yes, I'm listening.
Where's my skibbity pipe?
What the? Huh?
Eat the fish. Nom, not fish. What? Banana got the room. I'm too fat to fit in the vent.
Hello?
No. Do not eat me. You do not eat me. Gotta skedaddle. No, don't eat me, bro. I'm being eaten. You got lactose intolerant? You want some fish? There you go. Yo, no kissing. No kissing YouTube. No kissing Mr. YouTube. No kissing FrogTube. Fish banana butter. Butter. There's butter gone. Butter. Oh, don't eat butter. Why are you so strong?
Brother.
Banana. We are going to destroy the humans, and we must only eat the fish. The tofu.
Bro, what is this? Hey, yo, I'm sorry. Chill, bro.
What are y'all? Boys. Oh.
I like fish. Eat the tuna.
What's up?
Fish.
Going.
Oh,
They're
my
like being
hand.
upside
My
down.
hand's in my face. Hands in my face now. I'm banana. I'm a banana. Oh, I'm a banana. Banana.
You are.
Sad. He's sad. That guy's sad.
Back.
Oh. I must change my color to green. To yellow, I mean.
Hello, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
So,
Bro, who starts their videos like that? Definitely not me.
guys, no, I'm speeding.
Hey guys.
Even though I've already completed on it. But it's quite good. Rick, to the fireplace. Green.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. No, I don't do my intros like that.
Sit here.
That's just not what I do. I don't do my intros like that. I've only done it once. My intros have been like that.
Loser. Green. Green is a loser. Daddy.
Do not call me daddy.
Daddy.
Hell no, this kid weird as hell.
It's my name, Jack. Daddy.
Okay, call me daddy.
I am a ninja.
The frick?
No. Ninja.
Oh,
yo.
the poop.
Beautiful. Green, how do you do that?
This is paper. This is paper. They look like that. So don't hate when you look like a paper.
Join people for me.
Join people to be. I don't really care. Banana,
People for me.
do not touch me. I'm not joining code people.
On this
Anybody
game.
wants to join people for me?
Yeah, we're not in Gorilla Tag. Wait, should I make Gorilla Tag?
The most cosmetics in this game, probably.
Bro,
I'm getting a
if you troll us with some kind of mod,
I'm getting a
I'm gonna go.
I didn't make it small.
No, I'm gonna crash out.
Anybody wants to join people for me? Anybody wants to join people for
No,
me?
you're shrinking.
Wait, PVVV.
No, bro, you can't be doing that.
P?
Bro, you got a free hat. Look, free hat. It's called the
Join
fish
people for
hat.
me.
I don't know
Anyone
what to
wants to
You want
join
the fish
people
hat?
for
Come
me?
on, follow me.
Frick was that, bro?
She's a
On the fish hat, you have to gamble for the fish hat.
ghost.
I'm a chill guy.
Anybody wants
You're not chill.
to chill guy over here? B is just a ghost.
Banana! Banana, what happened to your eyes, Banana? Banana, what happened to your eyeball?
Anybody wants to join
You're
people?
staring at me. No, get back down now.
Anybody wants to join people with me?
We're not in Gorilla
Daddy,
Tag.
I want fish. I
You're
want
adopted.
fish.
You're adopted.
Who wants to see me do
Daddy!
Hell no.
It's like, you have a poo.
No, how do you get that?
Go!
This is we on the shop bet.
Bro died. He disconnected. Bro disconnected and now it's dead. What did these even do?
I got multiple bananas.
What do those do? Why do you poo all over your hands?
I'm gonna, bro. I'm about to start going.
No!
It's the SpongeBob popsicle, guys. I have to buy it.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
Guys, I have to quit the SpongeBob popsicle. Banana.
I need that.
Guys, I have the SpongeBob popsicle. I have the SpongeBob popsicle.
Get out.
I'm bigger than you. I have the SpongeBob popsicle. I have more subscribers.
Alright,
It's time to turn into long arms.
I'm
Yeah.
19,000 bananas.
Yo, get your longs up.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn into long arms too. I already got long arms, but I wanted more long arms, bro.
Oh,
I'm
no.
19,000, so I can buy chicken legs.
Don't eat me, Mr. Div.
Wait, I want a chicken leg. I want chicken leg. I want chicken leg. I
No.
want a chicken leg.
Yes. Bye, guys.
Oh,
Bye, guys. Hope you
I'm
enjoyed the next
right here, right here. I'm right here.
Or you're not getting my SpongeBob popsicle.
Okay, come here. Follow me, follow me. It's in this one. Yeah, I got chicken leg. I got chicken leg. Chicken leg.
Guys, we're opening that.
Chicken leg.
Wait.
Chicken leg. There, you can eat bananas. Let's go. I have
You
so
can't
many
get
bananas
it.
right now.
Look at my SpongeBob.
Time to go ice skating.
Yes,
Alright guys,
SpongeBob
I am rich. I am rich.